Hey, Randy at Rippa NorCal. We just got our delivery. First time getting it on the premises. We had to do some work to get the truck in, and we ended up getting this nice ramp here. Things are going pretty good. Here's some of the RSO6s that we are receiving. So I'm not sure what's on top here. You can tell we have quite a bit of inventory. And look inside here. Boy, they stacked the stuff right to the top. We got Ken in here working on, hi Ken. And you can see more RSO6s. They got them jammed in there pretty good. So this is our first order here at the Rippa headquarters, Rippa NorCal. Going pretty good so far. All right, Randy at Rippa NorCal. Can you dig it?